Chapter 10 Water. Water is very precious. We cannot live without water. Plants and animals also need water to live. About two-thirds population of the earth is covered with water. We need fresh water for various important activities besides drinking. Out of the total water on the earth, very less percentage of water is available for us to use. This water is called fresh water. The rest of the water is having salts and other impurities dissolved in it. Such water is called hard water and is not fit for drinking or washing. Sources of water. There are various sources of water. The main source of water is rain. It is the purest form of water. Rainwater falls on the ground and gets collected in the lakes, rivers and ponds. A portion of rainwater that seeps into the ground is called underground water. It passes through various layers of soil and gets filtered. This underground water is drawn out with the help of hand pumps, wells, tube wells, etc. The water from various sources is drawn in reservoirs where it is treated upon for impurities. This clean water is supplied to huge tanks from where it is supplied to our homes through pipelines. Water cycle. As we know, rain is the main source of water. Rainwater gets collected in the water bodies on the earth. The surface water from the water bodies is continuously evaporated due to the heat of the sun. The water rises up in the sky in the form of water vapor. These vapors come in contact with cool air and form clouds that become cool, big and heavy, and they fall down as rain. This water goes up again in the form of vapor. Thus, the cycle continues. This is called water cycle. Uses of water. Water is required in every aspect of life. Water is used for drinking and bathing. Water is used for various household works such as cooking, washing, cleaning and flushing. Water is used by farmers for agricultural purposes. Plants and animals also need water. Plants need air, water and sunlight to make their food. There are few plants that grow in water. You will study about them in the chapter Plant Life. Animals like whale, dolphin and fish live in water. They cannot live on land and will die if taken out of the water. Water is used to produce electricity which is supplied in our houses and to run various machines in factories and industries. Shortage of water. When the supply of water cannot meet the requirement of water, it is called the shortage of water. There are various reasons for the shortage of water. The increase in the population of the country is the major reason. When the sources of water dry due to sunlight and less or no rains, it gives rise to water shortage. Humans are also responsible for shortage of water due to its overuse or wastage. Saving water. By following simple measures, we can save water. Water should not be wasted while bathing. We should use bucket to fill water for bathing. We should avoid use of showers. Water should not be wasted while washing clothes or utensils. We should rinse clothes or utensils in water stored in bucket or tub. Avoid washing in running water. This water can be used to flush the toilet seats. Water should not be wasted while cleaning the house. Instead of washing the floor with water, we can use wet mop to clean it. Water should be saved while washing fruit and vegetables by keeping some utensils under the running water or by washing them in stored water. This water can be used to water the plants or to clean the floors. Turn off the tap when not in use while brushing. Get the leaking taps or pipelines repaired. Always take as much water in your glass to drink as you require. Collect rainwater in buckets and use it to water plants as well as for other household work. More to know. In cities, water purifiers waste too much of water during purification of tap water. We can use this water for watering the plants and cleaning the floors. Nowadays, no water wastage water purifiers are also available in the market. Conserving or storing water. Rainwater harvesting. It is the process by which rainwater is collected in the roofs and is transferred in the ground by the means of pipelines where it is stored in large tanks. This water is filtered and taken in use later. Even there can be underground tanks to store rainwater. Cleaning of water. The water we get in our houses is cleaned in water treatment plants. This clean water is stored in large tanks. From these tanks, this water, free from germs and dirt, is supplied to our houses through pipelines. We can further purify water at home and make it better for drinking by boiling. It is a safe and easy way to kill the germs. We can also use water filters and electric water purifiers to purify it. Now I know. We cannot live without water. Plants and animals also need water to live. Water is required in every aspect of life. About 2/3 portion of the earth is covered with water. Rain is the main source of water. Water that goes up as vapor again comes back as rainwater through water cycle. We should save water.